Esto reducirá el estrés. This will reduce the stress. This will reduce the stress. Esto, this, reducirá, will reduce el estrés. The stress. This will reduce the stress. Esto reducirá el estrés. Estaré ocupado esta tarde. I will be busy this evening. I will be busy this evening. Estaré. I will be ocupado. Busy. Esta. This. Tarde. Evening. I will be busy this evening. Estaré ocupado esta tarde. I will be busy this evening. Responderé pronto. I will respond soon. I will respond soon. Responderé. I will respond pronto. Soon. I will respond soon. Responderé pronto. El dinero será enviado hoy. The money will be sent today. The money will be sent today. El dinero, the money, será, will be, enviado, sent, hoy, today. El dinero será enviado hoy. The money will be sent today. Déjame hacerlo por ti. Let me do it for you. Let me do it for you. Déjame. Let me hacerlo. Do it por ti. For you. Let me do it for you. Déjame hacerlo por ti. Me veré diferente. I will look different. I will look different. Me veré. I will look diferente. Different. I will look different. Me veré diferente. Sígueme rápido. Follow me quickly. Follow me quickly. Sígueme. Follow me. Rápido. Quickly. Sígueme rápido. Follow me quickly. Cruza esa calle. Cross that street. Cross that street. Cruza. Cross. Esa. That. Calle. Street. Cross that street. Ellos no irán. They will not go. They will not go. Ellos. They no irán. Will not go. They will not go. El coche necesita una limpieza. The car needs a cleaning. The car needs a cleaning. El coche. The car. Necesita. Needs. Una limpieza. A cleaning. The car needs a cleaning. Nos vemos raramente. We see each other rarely. We see each other rarely. Nos vemos. We see each other raramente. Rarely. Nos vemos raramente. We see each other rarely. ¿Cuál te gusta más? Which do you like more? Which do you like more? ¿Cuál? Which te gusta? Do you like? Más. More. ¿Cuál te gusta más? Which do you like more? Saca la lengua. Take out your tongue. Take out your tongue. Saca. Take out la lengua. Your nose. Saca la lengua. Take out your tongue. No es una lesión grave. It's not a serious injury. It's not a serious injury. No es. It's not. Una. A. Lesión grave. Serious injury. No es una lesión grave. It's not a serious injury. Es bien merecido. It's well deserved. It's well deserved. Es bien. It's well merecido. Deserved. Es bien merecido. It's well deserved. Muéstrale eso a ella. Show it to her. Show it to her. Muéstrale eso. Show it a to ella. Her. Show it to her. Conozco a esta persona. I know this person. I know this person. Conozco. I know. A esta. This. Persona. Person. I know this person. Conozco a esta persona. Me reí cuando lo vi. I laughed when I saw it. I laughed when I saw it. Me reí. I laughed. Cuando. When. Lo vi. I saw it. I laughed when I saw it. Me reí cuando lo vi. I laughed when I saw it. Tardará unos días en verificar todo. It will take a few days to verify everything. It will take a few days to verify everything. Tardará. It will take unos días, a few days, en verificar, to verify, todo, everything. It will take a few days to verify everything. Tu ayuda es muy apreciada. Your help is very appreciated. Your help is very appreciated. Tu ayuda, your help, es muy, is very, apreciada, appreciated. Tu ayuda es muy apreciada. Your help is very appreciated.